In this video, I'm going to show you how to add this icon right here. This is a Fontawesome icon taken from the Fontawesome library. There's a huge list of icons you could use. And in this video, you're going to see how to add them to your menus or any other place on your site. Works the same way as copy and paste a bit of code. So let's get started. If you're not familiar with the Fontawesome website, you can get there by going to fontawesome.com, and there are literally a heck ton of icons here. You got the new fancy icons, but they also have all the classics, like these guys here, just like regular shapes, icons, like we're used to seeing them. But icons have expanded to this whole new realm of things. Plus, you can add animations to the icons with Fontawesome, which is pretty sweet. And there is a paid and a free version. In this video, we're just going to use the free version. And to make life easy, we're going to install a plugin that adds Fontawesome icons to our site. So let's go into the dashboard and then go to plugins, and then click on add plugin and search for Fontawesome. And it's this guy with the flag here. This is the official Fontawesome plugin. There's another one over here called Better Fontawesome. I haven't used it, but the ratings are better. There's fewer installs. So I don't know if it's better. I guess it is because it's called Better. It's got better ratings. I'm not sure. I've never used it. But we're going to use the official one for this video. Go ahead and try this one out. Let me know how it works in the comments down below. Let's click on Install Now, and then click on Activate. And now we'll have the ability to add Fontawesome icons. The easiest way to do this is just go back to the Fontawesome website. Go to any icon you like. Can't click that one. Let's go to this address card here. We have different options. We have HTML, Web Ops, Awesome, SVG, React, and Vue. I'm just going to stay on the HTML. Click on this, and that copies it to our clipboard. And then I'm going to add this to our menu system. Let's go to Menus, and let's add this to the About page. Going to click right before About, paste that code in, add a space, and then keep the word About in there, and then Save Menu. And now, if I refresh, we have our new icon there. That's how easy it is. There's not much space there. I prefer a little more space. So what I'm going to do, right-click on it, click on Inspect, and I'm going to, up here, add margin right. Let's add 5 pixels. That looks pretty good. Then I'm going to copy this. This is just easiest because I can see what I'm doing, adding colors and margins and increasing the size and whatever, that I can copy all these rules and then paste it into the actual code, which makes the workflow a whole lot faster. So we're going to paste it in here, but first we're going to type style equals, open and close quotes, paste in margin right 5 pixels, save the menu, and now if we refresh, it's going to clear this code here, and it's going to apply the code that is in the menu, in the WordPress menus. So that's how easy it is to add Fontawesome icons. If you have trouble finding appearance in the menus, they might be hidden away because you're using a full site editing theme. If that's the case, check out this video in the card up above. I'll show you how to find your menus if they're not under appearance. And the next thing you should check out is how to add images to your menu, not just icons, but actual images. That's in this video right here. I'll see you there.